Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we are going to add a damage indicator. So yeah, let's get started. First, you want to go to the link in the description and download this, or here are like two damage indicators. I'm using this second one. This is the one I made. The first one is from internet. I like the second one more. So yeah, download it, and then you want to go to your resources and you want to import the file. Okay, like that. Now it is imported to here. Now you want to go to the blueprints folder and to the HUD, and you want to create a new widget. This widget blueprint, like that. And you want to click the user widget. Okay, we want to rename this to a W underscore damage indicator or something like that. Now let's open that. First thing, oh, what happened? First thing we want to do, we want to add a canvas, like always. Okay. Now we want to add a image, and let's rename that image to indicator, like that. Now you want to select your damage indicator file. Mine is this damage indicator 02, and now you want to check this image size from here. Mine is 712 by 712, so I will change this to 712 and 712. Now we want to anchor it to the middle and change this position x to 0 and y to 0. Okay. Now this alignment to 0.5 is to 0.5, so it's in the middle, like that. Now we want to click the animation and create a new animation, and that should be called hit underscore anim or something like that. Now we actually want to we want to click track and indicator. Now we want to add a color and opacity. And let's open that. And here at the start, I want to, you can do whatever you want, but this is the way I do this animation. I will make this like 0 and 0, so it's more red now. Now I will move this to the 1 second mark, and I will change this back to 1, this back to 1, and this to 0.7, like that. Now to the second 2 second mark, I want to change only this alpha to 0, like that. Now the animation looks like this. Wait, I will show you like this. So it fades away. Okay. Now we want to compile and save, and we want to go to the graph. Now we want to remove everything else. Actually, we can remove all of this, and now we want to get event construct, like that. Now that we have the event construct here, we want to get our hit animation and play animation, like that. And yep, after that we want to get from the hit animation from here and get end time, like that. Now I will add some reroutes to here. It still looks pretty bad. Now it looks better. Okay, now from here we want to get a delay. Connect this there, like that. And after that delay, we want to remove from parent, like that. Compile and save. Now we want to get the event tick here. Let's move it a little bit more down. And now we want to, actually, now we have to add a variable that should be called enemy ref. Now this variable type should be actor, and we want to search for this actor and click the object reference, like that. Compile and save, and now we want to click instance, editable, and expose on spawn. Okay, both of those. Compile and save. Now we actually need to go to the blueprints and components and BBC health. So now we are at here. And one thing we actually want to do here after this branch, now this false goes there also. We want to remove this, get from here and get return node like that. And let's move it to here and connect this there also like that. Okay. And now we actually we want to go back to the HUD folder and to the player HUD, and we want to go to the event graph, and we want to add a new function, custom event, and that should be called on hit like that. And here we want to add a one input that should be also the enemy ref and actor object reference like that. Compile and save. Now we want to find our not from here, but from the BPC health. Now we want to remove this heartbeat anim from here. Okay, we are at the BPC health and health remove function. Now we want to get from here the on hit like that. Now I want to connect it the same way that the thing was before. Now from here we want, from the enemy ref, we want to actually, we actually need to add that here also, so we can just get from the enemy ref and move it to here like that. Now let's add some reroutes, move it to here at the top. Like maybe that. That's okay, and that like there. Okay, that's pretty okay. So now we have the enemy ref. Now what we want to do, we want to just go to the blueprints enemy pp enemy main. Here on component begin overlap, we are at the event graph, and here we have this enemy ref. Now we want to just get self node from there, compile and save. Now we can close this, and we can actually, we can, we are at the player HUD. We want to create a widget, create widget, and the widget we want to create is the W underscore damage indicator. Now we have this enemy ref node here. If you don't see this, then you want to go back to here and click this enemy ref and click the instance editable and expose on spawn. Okay, and after that it should appear here. Okay, now let's just connect this. Now we want to add to viewport from the return value, and after that we want to call the heartbeat anim. Okay, like that. Compile and save. Now we can actually close this player HUD, and now we have this one hit here. Now we just want to add the function to the damage indicator, so we can close this BPC health. Okay, we are at the event tick here. So what we want to do here, we want to actually get the indicator, and we want to set render transform angle, this one, and we want to connect it to that event tick like that. And now we want to get our enemy ref and get actor location like that. And now we want to get the get player controller, and also from here we want to get actor location like that. Now we want to move this to here and this to here, for example. From here we want to also get control get control rotation like that. Now we want to split this return value, and I want to align this and also that. Okay. Now from here we want to get a find look at rotation connected to there. Also we want to split this like that. And now we want to get from the set and minus this set value. And now this value we want to connect to the angle. And I will actually move this that and also that like this. Okay. What this does is this gets our player location and our actor location. It finds our look at rotation and it checks our rotation and minuses it from that. So it just actually rotates the widget. So yeah, compile and save. So yeah, it should be done. So let's save and close this and let's try if it works, and it should work. So if the enemy hits us, yeah, you can see we have the indicator on the screen. And it will fade away slowly. And you can change the animation if you want it to be slower or faster. Okay. And if there are multiple of them, like that, they're crossing each other like perfectly. I don't know why. There's a little problem, I think. So yeah, I found the problem. It was here. We had the get player controller here. So you want to remove this and get player character, like that. Now, from the get player character, we want to get controller, control rotation, like that. Now you want to split it once again, connect to the set, like that, and this to the get actor location. So get player character, not player controller. Compile, save, and now I can close all of this. So yeah, now it should work. So if there is like multiple enemies and they all hit, yeah, you can see. You can see it works perfectly. Okay. I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue with the series. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.